I hope that exercise went pretty okay. And so now let's do the exercise together. So first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and use D3 to select all of these paths. So let's do that. Let us use, actually, let's first, out of habit, let's first select our SVG element. Then let's go ahead and select our SVG element. Then out of the SVG, let's pass in a string for selecting all of our paths within that SVG. And then let's bind our movies data. So this is our movies data. So let's go ahead and bind our movies data. And actually, let's take a look at what this looks like. Let's console log this really quickly, and let's take a look at what that looks like. Oops. If we open this, ooh, did you see that? It's kind of interesting, isn't it? So it's saying that we have 135 movies, and we have 5 paths, and there's an empty 130. Empty times 130. So in the next notebook, we'll kind of talk about what this means. So we have our first movie, and then if we, open up the second one at the very bottom, we have our second movie, which is Independence Day, and we can see right here that we have genres. And so that's what we need to do the fill. So let's go and say fill, and let's go and say pass in a function, and that function will take in as input the data that's been bound. And let's say that we are going to use that lookup, the colors lookup. And let's say I want to look up just the first genre and fill with that. Awesome. And I'm going to put in as if we can't find the genre in the colors, then we're going to use the let's just make our stroke a little bit bigger. Stroke width is 2. There we go. And so this is how you can use D3 selections, data binding, and attributes to kind of draw the shapes that you want into the browser.